Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make and send group email in Outlook. Alright, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to outlook.live.com and sign in with your Microsoft account, email, and password. Once logged in, you will land on the Outlook inbox dashboard, which apparently looks like this. So now that we're in, let's create the actual group you'll be emailing. So in the top left corner, go ahead and tap on the app launcher. That is the 9-dot square beside Outlook. Okay, just go ahead and look at it. Now from here you're going to see a couple of options, and one of them that you're going to find is themes. All right, and you're also going to find document, workbook, presentation. So you'll find a couple of options here, but just go ahead and disable it because the people option has now been moved downward. So below this you're definitely going to find a couple of options here, and one of them you find people. So we're looking for people. Now select people, and once you select people, this opens your contact page. All right, and on the people's page, go ahead and select new contact at the top, then toggle this on. Okay, turn off to no, we're actually toggling it on. So turn it off to view contact folders in the previous versions of contact, and you just turn it on to actually view people. All right, so in the pop-up, okay, so you have all contact, and you have add a contact, and you have import contact. So you're definitely going to select any of these options that you want. So let's say add a contact because you want to add a new contact, so click on that. Then in the pop-up window, go ahead and add your name. Okay, since we are doing groups, all right, so since we're doing groups, just go ahead and click on go to groups, and you can click on this button that says create a group to get started. So add your group name and the description of your group. So this would be and this is what I just want to name it. Managers, and I just go ahead and click on the create button for me to create my group. So here you're going to add members. Now while you add members, just go ahead and enter the email addresses field. You just go ahead and start typing the emails of people that you want to include. So let's say I want to include this person. Okay, so let's say I want to add this person, and I say add. So you see that this person is going to be added to my group. So just go ahead and keep on adding people, just keep adding more people that you want to add. If you want to create a new group, just click on create new group and follow the processes to create a group and to add to your group. I want to refresh it. So when we finish, just create. Now this creates a reusable group you can email anytime. All right, so with your contact group ready, you can put it to work by sending your first group email. All right, so to test that, just go back to your Outlook inbox by clicking the mail icon in the left side menu. So once you tap on the mail icon, So just go ahead and tap on new mail in the top left corner to open a blank email window. Now in the to field, go ahead and you can type on the name of the group that you have. That's if you already added people, then you should. I'm trying to see if I can tap it then. It's pretty much not coming or showing up yet, but you can go ahead and type the name of the group that you created. Outlook will also suggest the contact list, so just click it to insert and fill in your subject and message body as usual, and click send when you are ready, and boom, your message is now sent to everyone in your group. No need to type each address manually again. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.